what's your name?
It's Blue. Now go away.
How do you get that name? It's a color.
Well, at least it's a primary color.
Having a color for a name must be cool.
Blue is the dumbest name I've ever heard. You just should shoot whoever came up with it.
And what about you?
Be quiet, Tsume. Your name is even dumber.
So, Tsume, at least it's not a color and I actually get more than one syllable.
Big deal. I got more than one syllable too, and Toboe has 3. But we should go find Kiba.
Who decorated this place?
I have no idea. They're really bad. Just look at this place. The tacky whoopers on the stain wall is so retro. I can't believe they chose this place as the audition center for American Idol contestants. Where is this audition room located anyway?
Just down the hall.
What's the matter? Too cold?
No, something just seems weird.
It must be the Adult Swim logo. I'm gonna shoot whoever put it there.
Oh, that's what it was.
The logo doesn't bother me as much as the retro stained glass.
Hello? Is this the American Idol audition room?
Kiba!
Cheza!
I guess he didn't like my singing.
She deserved it. She can't hold a tune.
Simon, you're such a jerk. Who hired you anyway?
Who cares? I'm here to find people who can actually sing, not that pop idol wannabe. I've heard dying cats that sound better.
That's no excuse to toss her around. What makes you think you're so great? I bet you can't sing either.
What do you know? I don't let anyone talk to me that way!
Are we there yet? Hey! I was just kidding!
How dare you talk to me in that manner? I'm so cool that the camera pans across my eyes. It makes lip-syncing this line easy too. Now I remove this vocal blunder.
What? You can't be serious.
She'll sound better after I remove her vocal cords.
That's sick. Go compete in Survivor or something.
That reality TV show is a joke.
Sure beats American Idol.
Says you.
Hey, I'm cool enough to have the camera pan across my eyes too, so my opinion must be just as good.
I'm going to my happy place now. Darn, not enough drugs.
What?
What was that?
That old man must have shot the logo maker!
About time.